Am I the only one that didn't know about the B-2 Spirit? Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more incredible insights. Imagine a plane that's almost invisible, not just to the naked eye, but to radar too. It flies high above enemy territory, unseen and unheard. This isn't science fiction, this is the B-2 Spirit. The B-2, nicknamed the stealth bomber, is a marvel of engineering. It's designed to penetrate enemy defenses without being detected. This makes it one of the most powerful weapons in the United States arsenal. The B-2's unique shape is key to its stealth. It's like a giant flying wing with no vertical tail to reflect radar signals. Plus, its special coating absorbs radar waves, making it practically disappear from enemy screens. Think of radar like a flashlight in a dark room. Imagine you're in a pitch-black room and you have a flashlight in your hand. When you turn it on, the beam of light cuts through the darkness, illuminating whatever it touches. If you shine it at a mirror, the light bounces back and you see the mirror. The light reflects directly back to you, making the mirror visible even in the dark. But if you shine it at a black cloth, the light is absorbed, and you see nothing. The dark fabric soaks up the light, leaving no reflection and making it seem as if the cloth isn't there at all. That's kind of how stealth technology works. Radar sends out waves. These waves travel through the air, much like the beam of a flashlight searching for objects in their path. When they hit an object, they bounce back, creating a blip on a screen. This blip tells the radar operator that something is out there, reflecting the radar waves back to the source. The B-2's shape and special materials scatter these waves, making the blip much smaller or even invisible. The aircraft's design is meticulously crafted to deflect radar waves in multiple directions, rather than back to the radar source. It's like trying to find a black cat in a coal cellar, not easy. The B-2 blends into the radar environment much like a black cat would blend into a dark room, making detection extremely challenging. The B-2 also has special engines that reduce its heat signature, making it harder to detect with infrared sensors. These engines are designed to minimize the heat they emit, which is crucial because infrared sensors detect heat. It's all about being sneaky. The B-2 Spirit employs a combination of advanced technologies to remain undetected, from its radar-absorbing materials to its heat-dissipating engines. This makes it a formidable tool in modern warfare, capable of slipping past enemy defenses undetected. Engineers spend countless hours developing and refining these materials and designs. They use computer simulations to predict how radar waves will interact with different shapes and surfaces, constantly seeking ways to improve stealth capabilities. The concept of stealth isn't new. Early attempts at reducing radar visibility date back to World War II, but it wasn't until the late 20th century that significant advancements were made. The evolution of radar technology pushed the development of more sophisticated stealth techniques. Today, stealth technology is a critical component of modern military strategy. Various aircraft, from fighters to bombers, incorporate stealth features to enhance their survivability and effectiveness in hostile environments. The B-2 Spirit, with its unique design and advanced technology, represents the pinnacle of stealth aircraft. Its ability to evade detection allows it to carry out missions that would be impossible for conventional aircraft. Pilots and engineers work closely together to ensure the B-2 operates at peak efficiency. Training and mission planning are crucial, as even the smallest mistake can compromise the aircraft's stealth capabilities. Looking ahead, the future of stealth technology promises even greater advancements. Researchers are exploring new materials, shapes, and technologies to stay ahead of evolving radar and detection systems. The science of stealth is a constantly evolving field, driven by the need to stay one step ahead of detection. As long as there are eyes in the sky, there will be a need for aircraft that can remain unseen. Radar isn't the only way to track an aircraft. While radar is a powerful tool, it has its limitations. It sends out radio waves that bounce off objects and return to the radar system, creating a picture of what's in the sky. However, advanced aircraft like the B-2 Spirit have been designed to minimize their radar cross-section, making them appear much smaller on radar screens. This makes it incredibly difficult for radar systems to detect and track them accurately. There's also infrared, which detects heat. Infrared technology works by sensing the heat emitted by objects. Every object with a temperature above absolute zero emits infrared radiation, and this can be detected by specialized cameras and sensors. In the case of aircraft, the engines and exhaust systems are the primary sources of heat, making them visible to infrared detectors. The B-2 has that covered too. Its engines are designed to mix hot exhaust with cool air, reducing the heat signature. This sophisticated design ensures that the aircraft's heat emissions are minimized, making it much harder for infrared sensors to pick up its presence. The B-2's engines are buried deep within the aircraft's body, and the exhaust is expelled over the wings, further dispersing the heat and reducing its infrared visibility. Think of it like this. It's harder to see someone holding a lighter in broad daylight than in a dark room. The same principle applies to the B-2's heat signature. By blending its heat emissions with the surrounding environment, the B-2 becomes much less noticeable to infrared detectors. This analogy helps illustrate how the B-2's design effectively camouflages it against both radar and infrared detection methods. The B-2 blends in with the background heat, making it tough to spot. Its sleek, bat-like shape and advanced materials further enhance its stealth capabilities. The aircraft's surface is coated with radar-absorbent materials that help it evade detection. Additionally, the B-2's unique design allows it to fly at high altitudes and low speeds, making it even more challenging for enemy radar and infrared systems to track. And just when you thought it couldn't get any stealthier, the B-2 also carries special weapons. These weapons are specifically designed to complement the aircraft's stealth capabilities. The B-2 can carry a variety of munitions, including precision-guided bombs and nuclear weapons, all while maintaining its low observability. These weapons are stored internally, within the plane's smooth shape. By housing its armaments inside, the B-2 avoids creating additional radar reflections that could give away its position. The internal weapons bay is a crucial feature that ensures the aircraft remains as stealthy as possible during its missions. This prevents them from creating extra radar reflections. Sneaky, right? The B-2 Spirit represents the pinnacle of stealth technology, combining advanced engineering, materials, and design to create an aircraft that is nearly invisible to both radar and infrared detection systems. Its ability to evade detection makes it a formidable asset in modern warfare, capable of penetrating deep into enemy territory without being noticed. The B-2's stealth features ensure that it remains one of the most effective and elusive aircraft in the world. Section 4. Evasive maneuvers outsmarting enemy defenses. Being stealthy isn't just about being invisible, it's also about being smart. The B-2's onboard computers are incredibly advanced. They can analyze enemy radar systems and actually plot a flight path that minimizes detection. Imagine you're trying to sneak past a security guard with a flashlight. You'd probably try to stay in the shadows, right? The B-2 does the same thing, electronically speaking. It can also jam enemy radar systems, confusing them even further. It's like using a smoke bomb to create a diversion. The B-2 can slip past defenses while the enemy is none the wiser. Section 5. Bombs away. A legacy of precision strikes. The B-2's stealth capabilities aren't just for show. This aircraft is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to evade radar detection and slip through enemy defenses undetected. It's a bomber, after all, designed to deliver payloads with pinpoint accuracy. The B-2 Spirit can strike targets with such precision that it minimizes collateral damage, making it a crucial asset in modern warfare. And it has a proven track record, participating in major conflicts since the 1990s. From the Gulf War to more recent engagements, the B-2 has consistently demonstrated its effectiveness on the battlefield. During the Kosovo War in 1999, B-2S flew non-stop from Missouri to Kosovo and back, a round trip of over 13,000 miles. This incredible feat showcased the B-2's long-range capabilities and its ability to project power across the globe. They struck key targets like enemy command centers and air defense systems. These precision strikes were instrumental in crippling the enemy's ability to coordinate and defend against Allied forces. The B-2 can carry a variety of bombs, both conventional and guided. This versatility allows it to adapt to different mission requirements, whether it's taking out hardened bunkers or neutralizing surface-to-air missile sites. It can even carry the massive GBU-57A/B, nicknamed the Bunker Buster, designed to penetrate deep underground. This bomb is capable of destroying fortified structures that would be impervious to conventional munitions. Now that's what I call packing a punch. The B-2 Spirit's ability to deliver such powerful ordnance with precision makes it a formidable force in any conflict. But the B-2's effectiveness isn't just about its firepower. The aircraft's maintenance and preparation are critical to its success. Ground crews work tirelessly to ensure that each mission is executed flawlessly. Inside the cockpit, highly trained pilots operate the B-2 with precision and skill. Their expertise is essential in navigating the aircraft through complex missions and ensuring that each strike hits its intended target. The B-2 Spirit often operates in conjunction with other aircraft, forming a cohesive strike force that can overwhelm enemy defenses. This teamwork enhances the overall effectiveness of military operations. The B-2 is also capable of operating in a variety of weather conditions and during night operations. Its advanced avionics and stealth technology allow it to perform missions that other aircraft might find challenging. Regular training exercises and simulated combat scenarios keep the B-2 crews sharp and ready for any situation. These drills ensure that both the aircraft and its operators are always at peak performance. From its inception to its current role in modern-day operations, the B-2 Spirit has continually evolved to meet the demands of contemporary warfare. Its legacy of precision strikes is a testament to its enduring value and effectiveness. As the B-2 Spirit continues to serve, it remains a symbol of technological prowess and military might. Its ability to deliver precision strikes with unparalleled accuracy ensures that it will remain a cornerstone of strategic operations for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into military technology. Thanks for watching.